how we used to teach students. You just do AP. You have only 2. You don't put 2. Put in the first 10. Second time what? 4. Third time the what? 6. What we have done. Okay? That's AP. That's AP. Now, for geometric progression, what is the factor of geometry? Is what? Common ratio. Common ratio. What I'm writing on the board is that it's not a topic, that you need to teach your children. But this is knowledge you gain. Is that okay? That even if you want to explain to children what abacus is used for, you can enumerate all these things. You know that. For you, presently your level, you are not up to this word, AP and GP, but can be used for AP and GP. Is that okay? What we are saying. So you should.
Explain how it can be.
No, I want to do that. Now, what is in a GP? We have to score a common ratio 3. First term is 3. Or it can be 1 even. Can you do 1? So the first term is 1. Okay? If common ratio is 3, this multiplied by 3 give us what? 9. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So does it? Very well. 4 is equal to what? This multiplied by what? 3 again. Is that okay? Yes. 9 and 6 27. You don't have to 27. Is that okay? Has it not able to teach GP? So can I, even there are some SS3 today who don't even know the GP. What they are saying now, I do that. It's appalling that SS2 cannot add -7 plus 4. Right? It's going to write like -7 plus 4. Okay? Minus plus is plus. Plus minus is they are tell jargon. The tell is 11. So you go that even if you have children at home, not even the people you are teaching. Okay, do you know if you are children? No, come. You know if you have a common GP, you have a common ratio. If the first one is 1, if the ratio multiplied by 1, you get this. Multiply by the other one, you get the other one. Even your children at home, I'm saying, not even your pupils now, they will get from you in this. Don't say, oh, I'm still American, I don't know what you do. Oh, yeah, go and make, you can make impact because of this. Is there what you can use it for? Yeah, please suggest. I don't know again. Don't know anything again, please. Suggest to us. Anyone can use more, please. Who can help us? But do not about us. But if, as I'm suggesting, I want to produce abacus for me now, so that you not say that, oh, I saw it, I don't know how to produce. So that I want to learn you this book. This book. I don't know anybody, I said, can you work paper? Cut your cardboard and put inside. Not necessarily, if you want there to be seen, right? A slightly thick cardboard, okay? Just like the one we use here now. like this one is 18 carton you use to reinforce this. So that children can see it. So that you can they do it themselves. You can keep it there, do it yourself. But you see, one, you must not have, this should not be one in the class. Otherwise, you are not making impact. At least, it groups. They should touch. They drop themselves. Not only you drop it. Yes. If you are the one dropping there, they don't understand. Oh, you come. Come and touch. You are. Although we don't have to again. I know it's not easy. Okay? Yes, because of the period allocated for social class. Okay? It's not easy, but we create time out of no time to succeed. So, what we want to do now is that we want you to produce abacus. We have materials for you. See, this is spoke. Show you. This bicycle spoke. Just you will do it. Not you touch it. You will do it now. Not you touch it. So that spoke. You use nail to put to. But the most important is what? Risk. The third line, you also mark a what? Intervals. You know how many intervals you want. That's your business. Okay? But we use only 4. 5, Abi? Okay. 5, okay. We now mark 5 points, Here. They now use this nail. What should they nail? But this, I know this will not, but if you put it in nail like this, you must still use gun to hold it. Otherwise, because the nail is bigger than what? The size of the spoke. Is that okay? But you see, in our build also can use something that's smaller than this. Or a softer wood. Or if not a softer wood, can use something that can easily enter this. So that we able to get something and we must use gun. And so the upper one, this one, you don't need to use gun for the upper one because you just are supposed to enter here. Or if you don't even cover it, you still wish. Okay? You don't be necessary. Because you can leave it like this. You can leave it like this. Okay? So the guys, I mean, we have 4 classes. And we have 4 classes. Well, the first 2 classes will benefit more. Let me give you 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll get check now. Good. 1 group. Okay, I know. Let me just. The others will join the group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1 means what? First group. 2 means what? Remove the line. I'll show you the other. Very important. I'll also give you pencil. Pencil. I gave marker to this group yesterday. Yeah. Marker. Yes, sir. Have you returned it, sir? No, sir. Have you finished?
It didn't give us. We did.
I don't give you marker.
You didn't give us marker.
Yes, sir.
It's with you?
Yeah.
Okay. We are not using marker now, but I think you have to. How now is this? Okay, thank you.
You have got my head down.
Okay, what is your name, sir? Abdullah, let me come. Yes. How long you spoke?
This is 5 interval.
I'm not going to date you. I think the case I have is in young Kushi. It has been measured. In cut the case is 27 centimeters or so. Is 7. So class 7 by 2. 3.5. Now, this one is 25%. So for ED division, it's not what it means.
Supposed to be start from here and end here. One create the motor. What is the answer of the ground?
Not to brilliant okay then.
You are producing tobacco now. Because I didn't want to produce. Very easy to produce.
One is one longer than the other now. And the iron, the stick.
They are not the same height. The spokes are not the same height.
Okay.
What to do? I hate you don't use the smaller one. Doesn't matter. But if you want to do your own, you can cut it to this size. Better. No, you cannot put something that is very high. Okay? Just cut it small. Come one photo two. Come one photo two. So that.
And it's even not your size.
No. You are rich.
When you measure the center, you count and then you rule by
Which is number 11?
All cards are for flatten it.
Economic growth.
No, flatten it so that not it's not economic. We are not finished, oh. Yes. Yes, it's fine. Only that this is not it's only not enter, but that's why it's like this. It's not enter very well. That is why at times we put on the top so that it cannot. When you give it almost is coming down. Is that okay? Can you eat it? When you eat it, it's not like you have been at it.
As in your phone, I think you get it together and come and carry your phone so that it's not really.
That's your total. You continue. What is your offering? So you continue like that.
So we are going to print your room now. So this is a flash drive. You store it here. You can store it here. Now we are going to put it here. Okay. Let the other group manage the other group. In fact, I don't like working. Have you seen them? Are you imagine? They pack my load and pick another place. So my load was attacked. That's why we cannot get to huh? What do you wear here? This one that how many do you have there? Oh, you can't do that. Okay, don't worry. When the other group has finished shooting, the other group will. I've told you that when I'm teaching you where you are what? Last code.
Which group that doesn't have keys? Use one. Connect to this and this. I have to connect only one.
Stay, everybody stand up and stay around your group. Everybody stand up, stay around your group. Stay around your table. Everybody stand up, stay around your table. Okay, we have done number 1. We have done number 1, picture, all right? Then number 2 is this one. that when you use one battery, what happened? The light. And when you use two batteries in series, it was what? Brighter. Where is Aisha? What did you notice?
The light is so bright.
Very bright. Okay. Now, but we are going to check what will happen here. One battery, one paper, and we are both. So the paper I gave to you, connect it to a wire, the two ends of the wire. This paper? Yes. Make a hole, connect it, and connect to your circuit. Let's see what will happen. Everywhere. Only one battery. Only one battery. Ma, but this is only one battery. Two ends. Two ends. Look at the picture. At one end you connect, and the other end you connect. Alright? And extend to connect wire again. One end, the other end, and the other end. Very good. Look at the picture. Let me see what you are doing here. Very good. One end, the other end. Let me see what you are doing here.
What you waiting for?
I gave you many wires. See? Look at the diagram. Battery, paper, wire. How many wires? 1, 2, 3. 3 wires. Alright? I gave you 6 wires, so use 3. Put one here, put one here, put one here. Interesting. Let me look at your own. See our own. I'll see your own. Collect nail. You are not done your paper. You have to one nail. With nail?
Yes, with net.
Yes. Have you tied it? Why are you holding it with your hand? I didn't say hold with your hand. Connect it to one end. Use your mouth or razor blade. Bring out more wire and connect the two ends of the this thing. And connect to this one now.
Look at it.
Okay. Connect it to, I didn't say hold it. Use all your wires. Keep this thing on the ground. It can stay. That's your nail, Rabbi. And that's the wall. So what did you notice? When you connected with paper, what? So that you can relax. Don't hold this one, hold this one. Connection, you know that your body conducts electricity. You don't know. Your body conducts electricity if you are holding it. Cabbage. We are coming. We want to read the story now. Operative method in kindergarten. How do you teach this story to kindergarten? The steps are there. It says the teacher brings a head of red cabbage. I think you have red cabbages. Yes. Red cabbage. I know we have green cabbage. There's something. There's red cabbage. I've seen it before. So the teacher brings a head of red cabbage and 3 glasses, number 1 to 3. That is number 1, 2, and 3. She fills the glasses with soda water. I think all of us know what soda water is. Yes. Cooking vinegar and water without labeling the glasses. The teacher prepares the red cabbage juice by placing the cabbage leaves in a transparent container and adding warm water to it. After a few minutes, the cabbage juice will appear as a purple color in the container. Then it will be sprayed and put aside. The teacher asks 3 people to volunteer by tasting one of the glasses in front of the class using a teaspoon. Then the rest of the class will be asked to explain the reactions of the 3 volunteers following their tasting of the liquids in the glasses. The teacher asks the volunteer to express their feelings and whether they know the liquid they are just tasting. At this point, the teacher starts to read the story until she reaches the episode where the troublesome chief drinks the unknown transparent liquid. The teacher opens the discussion in the classroom around what happened to the troublesome chief and whether his behavior was appropriate. Now, I want to ask you, was the behavior of the troublesome chief appropriate? No. It was not. No. What I mean is, pass it around. Check it and bring it back. People who sell chairs, they are the people who sell it. In the East, they call it ding ding. But when I went to market in Lagos and I was looking for ding ding, they laughed at me. So I don't know what they will call it in your place, but it will always ding. Please, where is the Velcro? It's still going round. Okay. Now we are going to use.
Different color.
Very fast. One is electrical drilling machine, while this one is what? Manual, in case there is no light. To drill your hole on your balance. If it is for wood you want to use drilling machines. If it's going to be a thick paper, like a carbon thick carton, all right? You use just a nail and a hammer, or you use ordinary nail, then you use your pencil to drill it well, or use your old Bible, push it in so that the straw can enter. All right? Good. Now, having done this, I want you to collect. So now, I want you to blow this balloon. Blow this. Blow this. Fast. Blow it on. Okay, I will give you thread so that you can tie it. Mother. Look for a thread. We are having a thread here. Okay. Look for something. Have you tied it? Okay. This dress. Take this one. Come and take this one. You should tie it. Tie it and give me 2 ends like this. Tie it and give me 2 ends like this. You the same thing. For scissors and buttons. Tie it and give me 2 ends. 2 ends like this. Do that. Okay. Bring it here and tie it to this. You see, this is our balance. You see, before she ties it, everybody look up. Everybody stand up. Is it bending to any side? No. Good. Now I want you to tie it to this end. Tie it. It's not flying. Tie it. Tie it very well. The air is disturbing it, Charlie. Isn't it? Yes. Because of the weight. Yeah. So you tell the children that what will happen. They will tell you what. Because there is air inside the what? And what again? The air has weight. Air has weight. You are concluded for them. Like you will not be the one to say it. You are my people. You are my students now. So that's why you are telling me. Don't conclude for them. Alright? So because air has weight, that's why it's going like this. And then when you take this small one and put here, let's see what will happen first. All of you would have done it, but it's not our major thing now. We are just demonstrating. So it is still doing like that because this one is it's small than the other one. That comparing weights now. That's the go back to your
no need of this one. You can leave it.
Take the dash. Okay, now I want to share you into groups now. Sit down, let me share you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of you there. You are 1, 2. Sit down. Let me see where you are. We're starting that seat. Six of you, 1 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. One person is coming to join you. Come and join them. All of them are going to stand up. Don't worry. Whether you have 6, just stay there. 6. 1, 2, 3. How many are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are 1, 2, 3. Okay, you are on the other side. All right, go face me here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have I counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 of you. Come out. Come out. Come out. You, Bintu, watch this. Yeah. your names. People that are watching each group, you give me the names of everybody after this lesson. All right? So come and collect. Each group captain that I made captain. Who did I make captain? Yeah.
So that's why you use about the smoothing the something. So that the children will not, actually hide the edges. When I walk on, you not injure them. See, some of them are still rough. Anyone that is wrong, you use about the sandpaper. Now, I said to produce this now. What do? You take what? The center. I give you a green ruler. Measure, you know the center. Draw a line. Divide the line. I think 4 is okay for each and every one of us. So then you see what they are done. They are okay. See what they are done. They are good. So, okay. What we have is what? You will divide this. I will give you gum. Then use nail to punch hole inside. If you divide it into 5 equal parts, that means you give us what? 4 spokes. Yes, 4 spokes. I mean, if I divide those 6 equal parts, but I will give you 5 spokes. Is that okay? Should I divide it to 4? Is that okay? Yes. Right. So I will now do this in group. I will divide you in groups. Now we will use you will use 4. Once you have 2 remaining now, you don't have work to. We use 4. 1 group, 2 group. Maybe there's 1 group. Is that okay? I'll give you spoke. I'll use. Five. How many is that? 5. Okay. Don't like that.
So 2 numbers. Then the end here says 1. Just make a ball. That depends on the weight you want. It's about 45 as well. Yeah, 45 as well. Or 50. Are we together? And that makes your wheelbarrow with something. Then this one you may not bother to look for. You can still use empty cover of a butter bottle. You can still use it and perforate it at the center. Then make sure all these small ones can be fit and nailed together. You are not asking questions, no. You are hearing it, sir. You are hearing it. All right. Then in sugar, they have discussed this thing. The other shapes and this thing we are looking at is a complete set. Do we know this one I'm holding? We don't know it. We know it. Modern item.
Yes,
Then what do you call it?
a modular.
Please, allow for this one. No. I like that one. You just come from nowhere and say modular. Okay, well, I agree with you, but it's not, it doesn't, you don't call it modular. So what you call it, I will take 10,000 from you.
Okay, sir.
We this one. So you have not seen this before.
Sir, let me see. Sir?
You have not seen this before. That's too bad. It's used in substitute of clay to mold. I'm just guiding you.
Sir, let me see, sir.
I want you to get the name yourself. Where's the cover of this? No. You are not seeing it. I have to be pretty bad. That's modular, you call it modular. Modular. Yes. No, I will give you an assignment on it. This one, I will give you an assignment. But I want you to everybody to see it well. It can mold. It can mold and give you different colors. Please, I want everybody to look at it carefully. Please, I want every member of this class to look at it. And tomorrow when you come, are you coming for this class tomorrow? You are not coming. So I know that we do our aquarium. Go through it, please pass it round. Pass it round. I want everybody to look at it. This is super. What? I'm putting it on the shop. This is 180, 120. You now put it from here to here. Sir? The bottom. After you might have completed the bottom, you will now put the bottom there. You may not be able to do it unless you have intro tech department or basic technology department. If it's there, they can make it for you easy. Just a piece of wood will do it. You don't need to go and buy any big pieces of wood with nails. I've done it for you without problem. Have you passed it trans? So we have not seen this before. But
primary color.
It's not a primary color, but it is not a primary color. It's more than primary color. Primary color is about 2. Yeah. And this is about 5. So you have not seen this before. Anyway, it's an assignment. Within now tomorrow morning, I want to see.
Some people are always with money so they can produce value in one day. You know my place, we eat starch. So if you grind cassava today and remove the starch and you swallow it today, you are a dead person. So please, let's pass all this money to our students. And we can use this type of story. If you find a difficult topic in your curriculum, look for a fine story around it. Then make some students to play the parts, like the troublesome chick. In my last class, so many troublesome chicks came. They came late and they wanted to get so I said, this is one of the troublesome chicks. They said, everybody say yes.
That's number 1. That's number 1.
Now, so you make your science class to be so likely that tomorrow a student wakes up is hurrying to school by 7 o'clock or by 6:30. The mother says, where are you going? I'm going to school. Why? Because he knows that teacher will soon do something new. I believe that in this workshop you have learned so much through storytelling. Like now, we talked about like a difficult mathematical concept. You can use this flannel board to teach it. Or you can use storytelling. Or you can use so many charts. A chart can change the way a child looks at something. Like if this chart is hanging in the class and the parts are labeled there, without knowing it, they'll just be learning it without thinking. And one of the things I encourage you to do, let's have a picture display stands. Cut scientific pictures from old newspapers, assemble them, place them there. Let the children look and wonder. And when the questions come up, let them come to you. Auntie, why is this is this a monkey or a chimpanzee? Why is it the baby bear? We know that this is the nest among the primates. The chimpanzee is the nest to man. They can look after their babies. And there are many things that a child that can occur to the mind of a child. We want our children to be thinking scientifically so that before they do their F.S.E.C, they become great scientists. Let us desist from using blackboard and chalk and mouth lecturing the students is not good. If a student comes to school and does some of these practical things we have been doing, you will find that nobody will sleep in the class. And one of the ways you can engage your students is to group them. Let them work in groups as you have been doing. Is it clear now? Yes. Now, I don't know what you've used the opaque projector. You produce the pantograph. Yes. Did you use it to trace?
We tried.
Now, I want to make a correction on the pantograph. This, we use the shoemaker, that rivet for this place. So what you do, you put the cover of the rivet, put it on a table, not on a metal like this, and you nail through a little bit. Like here now, can you see the nail? Yes. You can see the nail. You nail through it so it stays put. You know yesterday it was dropping. So you nail through it from behind and it stays put. Like this one is staying now. So other groups that came after you, they corrected themselves and it worked. All their pantographs are there. Yes.
The opaque projector is a very complex machine.
Yes, ask your question.
How can a school get this?
Hello? Did you hear his question?
Yes.
He said the opaque projector is a very complex machine. How can a school get this? Opaque projectors now cost, it doesn't have to be as big as this. Some now cost about 25,000. About 25,000, which is affordable. Yes. And it's not a very complex machine. Now, let me tell you, in our experience of traveling around the nation, we discovered that many schools, including primary schools, have them. They put them in the store. Yes. We went to a school in Ilorin. Since 1960, they gave them. They never used it in 1993 when we visited. The store officer came to me and said that this type of thing is in their store and they are in the cartons. Rats have defecated on them. Since they were bought, they were not used. He said that he was one that if they get missing, they will use his salary to replace them. So he gas them jealously. He does not allow anybody to. And sometimes... Sure you understand? So, today you have done electricity. Issue of what is electricity? What do we use it for? How to produce electricity using the cells and every other thing like switch, cells, bulbs. Alright? The bulb is what shows the electricity. I mean, to show that electricity is really passing, just to show. But when there is no bulb, it does not mean that the electricity does not pass. Are you hearing me? We put the bulb to show that electricity is really passing through. Is that clear? Good. Any other question? No question. Yes?
I remember when I was in primary school, my mother always encouraged us to use slippers, especially when using any electrical appliances. What significance has that slippers to do with electricity?
Good. Can anybody answer it? Because I tried to explain it.
It's because the earth is a conductor of electricity.
Are you hearing? Your body is a conductor.
And
when it gets to the earth will conduct it. Yes. So that's why they earth some appliances, so that it cannot go to the straight to the ground and conduct, and anything can happen to you. So when you wear slippers, there is no connection. There is no connection because the rubber is not a conductor.
It serves as non-conductor.
It's non-conductor. So that the electricity will not enter you, and then do what? Go to your heart and stop the motion of the heartbeat. Because once your currents move, they will move to your heart. And you know that you are, the body, the blood in your body is made of water. There's water there, and water is a good conductor of electricity. So once it transfers it to your heart, that's the end. The heartbeat will stop. Unless by the grace of God, you can be revived somehow by first aid or whatever, or you're taken to the hospital. Alright? That's if too much work. They start manufacturing things. They start using high-powered electricity. Powered, do you understand? Appliances. It's only here in Nigeria we are trying to see whether our children can agree to be technically inclined.
You will spoil this thing, Oga.
Because of friction, the wire now will glow from the electrons will glow, make the wire to shine. That's the electricity we see. Is that clear? Yes. Good. So, when you have explained it like that, you now start the practicals. Is that clear? Good. I'm now sharing you into 6 groups so that you can be able to do these things by yourselves, so that your pupils will be able to do it by themselves and then make conclusions by themselves. Is that clear? Good. Now, I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of you, including the double will be one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join them. To make them how many? 6. Okay? Stand up. You know, we're going to stand up. We're not sitting down. So don't mind. Even if they are sitting, they are all going to stand up. Come. 1, 2, come. 1, 2, 3. Where are you? Which group? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This group. 1 group. This group. This is center there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Materials or the experiments. Another one. Take this. Like this.
Leave it like that.
And what are you people connecting to for Christ? Look at the diagram. See, when you are teaching, make sure the children do the right thing. If you as adults cannot do the right thing, your children will not do it. Better you start learning. Look at the diagram. How many batteries are here? And some of you are connecting to. I gave you sellotape. Why didn't you use it to? Because you didn't ask for. Wire. One end of the wire from one battery. From one side of the battery. If you like, front or back. Put one wire here. What happens? That's how you be teaching these children. Simple. You know. Don't think because you know it. Those children may not know what to do. It's from here now, you will now teach what? Open and close circuit. Are you hearing me? Yes. The first one you did, and there was what? Light. You call it a close. Circuit is not complete. That's to show the children that the circuit is not complete. Good. Now, we come here. I want you to connect your sheets of paper I gave you. Those papers I gave you. Connect, make a hole on one end, make a hole on the other end. Connect it to the wires. So I'll give you another wire. If you are not having more than 2 wires, I'll give you one more. The paper and connect the wire one end, connect the wire the other end. Look at the wire. Second one. It will come and connect like this. The same thing, you take another one, open a hole, another one like this, so that you connect. Alright? There's no light. No light. No light. Take put it inside here. And so that this one will now connect the wire here. The same thing you do to the other end. You have to connect this wire to this wire like this. Squeeze it. That's how you connect. Alright? To be sure you have really connected. But there is no light. Okay, now everybody. We are now going to this one. We are going to which one? The next one. I want you to connect your nail. Remove that paper. How far? Connect and leave it on the table.
Okay, leave it on the table.
You know your body can conduct. There is light. Clap for yourself. It's now. Yeah, clap for yourself. Simple instruction, you obey. You get whatever you want. It doesn't waste time. Clap for it. Okay, now I would have loved you to start putting every other thing. Okay, put your scissors. One end of the scissors, remove the nail, put one end of the scissors and the other end of the scissors fast.
Including the handle?
Yes. Cover your scissors, so don't open it. Cover it, cover it. So they must connect. They must connect. Because the child may decide to start connecting.
Next.
Oh, this is it. What is happening? Why did the scissors not give light? Why did the paper not give light? Why is it that only the nail that gave light? You will ask them. Are you ready to answer? Yes.
Because the paper is no conductor.
is not a conductor. Electrons cannot pass through to complete the what? Very good. Clap for him. Clap for the child because he has made an effort. Then you now ask, why is it that the nail, that when you collected the nail there was light? Means answer us. Why is it that when there was connected the what they call it, the nail, there was light? Please tell us. Because nail is a good conductor of what? Electricity. And electrons can pass through. Please clap for me too. Alright. Now.
The scissor cannot conduct the shape of the because of the rollers there and that's over it. So that one is not
Because of that rubber end that is in one end. Even if there was metal in the other end, is it not? Please clap for him. So it cannot conduct electricity. It's not complete. It is. So we have many of these tapes when you are preparing your chassis to make them attractive. You can pick what do you blue is good. Let us vote. You want blue, put up your hand. Let somebody count them.
One, two, three, four, five.
So people are in the right. So hold the rope. Carry this one. Up. In that corner. Gently, so you don't get the candle. Alright, so this is, I will show you how to do. Now, what you do, scissors, please.
Scissors.
Don't be in a hurry. Please, the next person, don't make it size.
Press it. Taking it.
No. Can you press it? Tomorrow you come and complete it. Tomorrow, this is what class now?
When it comes, you keep your copy for me.
Pass.
Keep your copy for me.
So now, please, let's quickly, we are talking about making our science classes very lively and interesting. And some of the things you
That is what? When you know that they are, you know people to cover the hammer too?
Yes.
Women, cover the, you know the cover the hammer too?
Yes.
Is it a couple? No. Let me ask you. So please, I will give you straw so that we use to. You know this, put here, then we form a box. Just a baby for our people.
When? Tomorrow.
I'll get it tomorrow. I'll get it tomorrow. Be your well, if you can get it, I don't know. If you can, I will see. Please, we'll see you tomorrow again. No, you are very good. It's break time. It's break time. It's break time. Thank you very much.
Comments or suggestions, please.
Who will be your leader for tomorrow? What you want to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want this one to be 6, you multiply the what? 7 times. You want to be 5, multiply the what? 6 times. You want to be 8, multiply the what? 9 times. You know what I'm saying? What you want to 6 times, you will get 5 times. Okay? Just divide, whatever the length of the friend, you divide by what? By 6. That means we get 5 times. Is that okay? But one space will be missing. But one space will not. That will now give us what? 6 and what? Is that okay? Now, what we are saying that you take this. You take this. You take this. You find the middle. Find the middle of this. Then you rule a line at the middle. Then divide it. Here you do what? I want to divide it 5 times. I want 5 times here. Meaning that what? You divide the line by what? By 6. You want to divide it by 6 and mark. That is, you got, use your nail to put it. Use this rod, might be difficult. You can use bicycle. It's okay to do it. Yes. Or you can, if in your environment you have wood, you have a this strong stick that you can carve. count them smooth. Okay? If you now put them there, use God to hold it. You can use something well. It's still okay. But remember that if it's a stick, for something to enter inside, this thing cannot enter now, button. Okay? And counter cannot even enter. What the hole is very wide. That's why this something like spoke is better. But so that the radius with drill will be very small, so that this marker and the counter can enter. Is that okay? Hello? Now, the question is, see what your mate produce. Yeah, they are producing. Is it not the same as this? No. It's the same. It's the same. It's not the same. It's the same. So you will produce this now. God, you do this class. You produce. We don't want to say, I saw abacus. No, I produce abacus. Well, I will not give you this opportunity, even before now, to know I can even do it easily like this. Where do you buy abacus? Go to the market. You tell that it's not found there. Go to the market, it's not found there. Abacus. What is the use of abacus? We must know what we are using it for. Use of abacus. Use of abacus. What is the abacus? Who tell us? One.
Place value.
Yes, place value. Is that only big grammar? For avoidance of doubt, what is not place value? I will explain that before we continue. Okay? 100. So, what is the place value of 1? Where is it? Is it under unit or 100? 100. And your place value. Okay, that's what? Place value. How many are here? 3. What is the place value of 3? 10. That is what meaning of place value. Okay? I think I'm right. Yes. Whatever the number that is odd is written on the board like this. What is the place value of 2? What is the place value of 2? 100. Place value of 3? 10. 10. Place value of 4? Basic operation. Yes, what do you use abacus for again? Yes. No, we brainstorm that day to get value for small multiplication. Yes. Let us still brainstorm to get something for that. Yes. Please let us. What are the uses?
Countings and units.
Not only unit, counting. What about counting? What we are saying is that, assuming I want to count units from where to where? Unit 1 to what? 9. Okay, look at it. Unit is 1 to 9. Unit cannot be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We cannot put 10 here because this units. If you put another one here, you better carry everything from here. You now put 1 here. Okay? The 10, you don't only want to not be 10. No, 1 here will not be what? 10. If you don't want to say 100, you put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 cannot be here. If you want to put this already what? 90, Abi? This is 90. Abi? You already 90. He said you cannot put one. You cannot say you cannot put it to be 100. Tell 100. You carry all this, and put one here. This is now what? 100. Mean that 100, 1, 0. You want to call, you don't call 0 your own, we don't have to call it. You tell them what it is, your language, what it says 0. What is 0? So you know that's what they are saying. Call it what you are call it. What can call it? That is what is nothing. Nothing. 1, nothing, nothing. Is that okay? Yes. So that is how you can use to teach what? Count. Is that okay? Counting. Now, cards that are passing, they draw. What is that? They put here. Say, if there was told anything about that backwards, you used to count cows. You see? Not even in the classroom now.
Outside.
If a few animal can use it to count cows, what of you? Okay. The second stage. Okay, the second. What do you use abacus for? There are help. Yes. But addition, so that is basic operation. Let me bracket it. Plus, minus, times, and what? Division. Okay, the other aspect, let me help in that aspect.
27.
Is that not geometric progression? Is that not?
It's geometric. There is a common ratio of 10.
Yes. You can say a common ratio of 2. But you see, you can tell it as a child now. What's the next 10? They do multiply by 3. We get it for you. Next, okay. So geometry, if you get a 10, multiply by the ratio, you get the other one. Okay. As I've told you before, people of SS3, they don't know what is common ratio. They are correct one. Some SS3. They don't know. You better go for one. Then, how can you ask the question? How was that child able to pass to SS3? How? The problem is in society that so number of students must more fail. Is that okay? They say 1/3 of the class must talk, is it? To 12. Now, I don't know if I have people now. I mean, see how it is for. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join this group. Join this group. Join the other group. Now, you have a ruler for division.
In the center, but the 1,000 and number is at the center. In your dab, then I can get it. Kagas on the whole. Kagas on the whole.
How do you guys correct? Oh, this one is not correct. Wait, look at, wait, madam. See, you put this one as 0. Yeah, mark it.
That's cool.
Yeah, see, I'm going to give you name. Five. Is it 5? No, it's 5. 5. Eight 8.2 now. 8.2. 8.2. 12.3. 12.3. 16.4. 20.5. 20. You are moving.
My name is Abdulaziz. I just want to brief you about what we call, just in a simple language, improvisation.
I said to
No, sit down.
I said to improvise is to make something available.
Are we accepting that definition?
To make what?
Okay, can we get 2 numbers? There's something like this. For the 2 sides, it may be square, that depends on you, it may be